we are at the University of Miami. We're in front of the Fieldhouse, where today we're going to start the installation of a solar project. The University of Miami has chosen Color-Based Solar Solutions to be their solar partner, and we're going to be installing 277 solar panels at the Fieldhouse. The Fieldhouse is right next to the Wasco Center. It's where the University of Miami, both men and women's basketball teams, practice before their games at the Wasco Center. Very excited. I said it was a long time coming. It was a student initiative, but we're very happy. Wind load mitigation, everything as far as hurricane, the way that it's strapped onto your roof, whether the maintenance of the roof won't have to change at all because it will minimize the penetrations on it. So we're looking forward to a long-lasting system on that roof. There's enough power to operate the Fieldhouse itself, or the practice facility itself.
So let's start down here inside.
When you turn it off, whatever, and you turn this off, this will shut the system off also. Typically designed for our climate, the salt content of our air, because it's different than many other areas of the country, and the UV rating, or the sun that it's going to get. So it is designed to be up here. We're so proud to have partnered with the University of Miami, where we have just finished installing 277 solar panels on top of the Fieldhouse. The next time you come catch a Canes game at the Wasco Center, remember, they're practicing and solar powered.